Hey everybody, this is Wade with EfficiencyTrader.com. Hey, we're going to just tackle a quick subject. Overall, what we do here is try to help people reach their financial goals. If that's through investing, trading, we never suggest gambling. Gambling is just a super high risk, low reward, can become an addiction. So people can even look at the stock market as gambling. If you don't know what you're doing, going out there just making trades to make trades, or hey, I just won 5 trades in a row, it becomes like gambling because endorphins are released to our brains anytime that we do win a trade, anytime that we see that our account balance is going up. But with all that said, we can actually we can use a scientific, mathematical, tested formula to make money playing certain casino games. So we'll talk about this more in depth. We'll have you subscribe, and we'll get you some of the details of the formula, how to make some money with gambling games as well. But we're going to do it in a strategic approach, super disciplined, where we've got a formula. We're going to follow that formula. We're going to be disciplined. Otherwise, it does become one of those sinner's games of gambling. You're going to lose money, you're going to lose everything and put it all on the table because emotions get involved. So we're super emotionless when we are trading. If we're trading stock market, currency, cryptocurrency, if we're doing any of other ways to make income. Even if this is selling something on Craigslist, if this is doing blackjack, whatever it is, but have a game plan going into that. So I'll just make this thing pretty quick. I'm just going to do 10 hands here in blackjack, just at slots.lv.com. This is a practice account. I will link this video with another video I made. I did another 10 hand trade from my phone with another app. So just wanted to show you guys that this formula works. It's possible to make money with this, again, if you follow it and do everything like a scientist. We're following an exact formula. So slots.lv, I'm just on the classic Blackjack 21 game here. So I'm just going to do $25 bets, $1,000 account balance, but $25 bets, we'll do this 10 times and see what happens here. So if you guys aren't familiar with Blackjack, pretty simple game once you learn to master it. So I'll kind of walk you guys through the strategy more in depth again for our subscribers. But again, with this formula, we're going to be about a 35 to 40% win rate. Maybe a little bit better, maybe a little bit worse, but overall by the end of this 10 hands, we should be on top. So first hand we lost, second hand here, boom, got it right back. So that's where we've got to be very careful with what the odds are. You can see at the top here a 3-2 dealer here, so pretty much means the blackjack's going to pay off a little bit higher than any other hand. The odds with that we can go into more depth at a later time. So that's one of the things we like to do here. Just kind of show you guys what options are out there and how you can make money in any market, anything. So hand 3 we lost. Just keep doing a rebet of 25. So again, specific formula here, guys. That was hand 4. All right, hand 5. Try to make this thing pretty quick here. Hand 6. 7, 8, got a 9, and you guys can see pretty quickly. All right, in 10 hands, we ended up making 50 bucks. We started with $1,000. That was 10 hands. Pretty quick. Again, the confidence there. I'll have to run some numbers. I honestly wasn't counting, obviously, trying to just make this video as quick as possible. But obviously, I won more money than I lost in the long run, following that specific formula. I've only been playing blackjack for about a month, so that shows how easy this formula is to practice with. Once you learn it, Again, there's a lot of specifics to it, so don't want to encourage you guys to go out and do anything crazy. Don't go out and take a second mortgage and go up to the casino. Watch our educational videos. Again, we're not going to tell you what to do with your money, but we will give you formulas and systems to create wealth. So if this video helped you, check us out, efficiencytrader.com. Join our Facebook group. It is the Trader Games Facebook group. We'll have links for this at the bottom of the video and on the website. So I hope this helps. God bless. You guys have a great day.